Hey guys, I'm Richard, and this is Hurricane ISO 3. It's from Saucony. Now these running shoes are really lightweight in their design and are going to help propel you forward with every single stride you take, give you plenty of boost and energy return. You do have a heel-to-toe differential of 8 millimeters with a really breathable mesh interior to keep those feet cool and comfortable. That ISOFIT design up here, it's really going to lock around your foot once you lace up and give you a real secure fit. And you got that seamless design to the toe box up front. There are no stitches or seams throughout there, which will help reduce the likelihood of irritation for your toes. Got that really thick midsole here with reflective details. It's going to help give you great low light visibility and give you that cushioning and energy return that you need. And down on bottom we have an XT900 rubber outsole that'll really help keep you steady. Power your way across that terrain just like your feet are both little hurricanes with the Hurricane ISO 3 from Saucony.